Hello, this is Kayla McCullough, and this is my end-of-course self-assessment. The first objective was demonstrate the knowledge and skills of research design methodologies and data analysis techniques that are relevant and apply to context in IO psychology. So I think I've made significant progress on this objective. I still have a long way to go before I'm an expert in data analysis and understanding when and how to use what research designs and analyses. But I think I've made it to another level on this objective. So I think that the organization of the class and the application of these topics in real-world settings has helped me understand this objective even more. So all of the assignments this semester, including the readings, have helped me gain knowledge and skill on this objective, especially in the field of IO psychology. I think the most important assignments for this objective were the consulting challenges. They were really tough, of course, and I spent a lot of time on them, but they were very comprehensive of the content from the corresponding units. So the second objective is select and implement the appropriate research and analysis strategies for a given situation. So I'm actually very happy with the progress I've made on this objective. I think that this course has really helped me hone in on using different research strategies for different situations, really more so than any other stats class I've ever taken. We've come across so many different situations relating to IO, and we've also learned about what strategies work best for what situations. Again, I'm not an expert in this objective, but I feel like I've definitely taken quite a few steps forward. So I think really the data analyses gave me a basis for understanding research designs and analysis strategies, but the consulting challenges helped me really use what we learned in the data analyses and apply them on my own with my own responsibility to real-world situations. So the first consulting challenge, I had to make my own decision about which tests to use, independent t-tests, paired sample t-tests, the two different ANOVAs, and this was great practice for me for my future career. So the third objective is to communicate the research processes, results, and implications in both technical and non-technical terms. So I think I've definitely made progress on this objective in my ability to communicate research processes, especially in technical terms, but communicating in technical terms is still a little challenging for me. I'm still not sure exactly where to put what sometimes, and I honestly did have to look back at the lecture slides a lot throughout this semester, but I think that expressing in non-technical terms is quite easy for me as long as I understand the results. So the examples of technical write-ups in the lecture slides and having to apply those in the data analyses and consulting challenges really helped me gain more skill in communicating implications in technical terms. So my goals were to understand how to apply research in IO psychology specifically and learn how to use the statistical analysis program Jamovi. So I have definitely made significant progress on the first goal. I am really happy with this class and how it integrated IO and stats because I'd never really had a class that had done that before. And all of their assignments really were related to this, related to some part of IO and this goal. So I have definitely made a lot of progress on learning how to use Jamovi, and it gives me a lot of confidence since I learned how to use it, that I will be able to learn how to use other statistical programs that maybe my future employer will have. So that's it. Thank you.